In this video, we will walk you through how admins can add custom fields for travel requests, expenses, and expense reports. Custom fields are any additional information that admins want to include in travel requests, expenses, expense reports, and their line items. Log in as an admin, go to Settings and click on Custom Fields under General Settings. Click the blue Add New button at the top right. Once a pop-up appears, fill out the following fields. Name, the name of the custom field when managing employees such as department or country. Type, set how the data should be filled by your internal teams, such as in the form of input, number, list, multi-list, multi-file, or date. Here's a breakdown. Input, custom field to add text. Number, custom field to add numbers. List, custom field to choose only one item from a predefined list. Multi-list, custom field to choose more than one item from a predefined list. Date, custom field to add a date from the calendar. Multi-file, custom fields for adding one or more than one file with a specific categorization as attachment. Description, describe the purpose of the custom field to help your internal teams understand how to fill it out. Now, click on the Visibility tab and tick where you'd like the custom fields to appear with the following configurations. Visible, visible as a field in the edit form. Mandatory on approval, mandatory to fill for full approval. Always mandatory, mandatory to fill from the time of creation. Visible on the table, visible in the table view. Show an approval email, show the custom fields in the approval email sent to approvers. How to edit and delete custom fields. To edit a custom field, simply click on the custom field, and then add the changes and click on Save. For deleting a custom field, simply click on the Delete button from the bottom of the window. For more information, check out our help portal at help.peakflo.co or send us an email to support@peakflo.co